a product that I can't live without. This is my Bounce Rapid Touch-Up 3-in-1. It is for everyday clothing spray. It releases wrinkles, it eliminates odors, and it freshens and removes static. This product, if you don't have a can of this, you need to grab it now and put it in your cart. This is from Bounce. It's ready to wear. So when you have wrinkles on your clothing, all you have to do, it's a very fine mist. Can you see that fine mist? And you spray it on your clothing, a very, very fine mist around your clothes, and it will soften those wrinkles and help get those wrinkles out. It will freshen up clothes that maybe you've worn a couple of times before washing. And so it helps freshen it. It helps with static as well. So this is a great product just to have in your closet in case you don't have time to run an iron or a steamer over something. Grab this bottle, put it in your cart today.